Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Mint staff. First, clearly define the specific skills, experience, and cultural fit you need for each role. This clarity helps you target the right individuals from the start. Next, create engaging job descriptions that highlight your company culture and the unique benefits of working with you. Finally, post these descriptions on various job boards and professional networking sites to maximize your reach and attract a diverse pool of candidates. Once applications come in, it's time for effective interviewing. Prepare structured questions that evaluate both technical skills and soft skills crucial for the role. Behavioral questions like, "Tell me about a time you faced a challenge," can reveal how candidates handle real-world situations. Consider involving current team members in later interview stages. Their input can be invaluable for assessing team fit and collaboration potential. A strong onboarding process is vital for new staff to feel welcomed and productive quickly. Provide clear expectations, necessary tools, and a mentor if possible. Beyond initial training, invest in continuous learning and development opportunities to help your team grow their skills. Regular, constructive feedback and performance reviews are also essential for fostering professional growth and ensuring everyone is aligned with company goals. Retaining your top talent is just as important as finding them. Cultivate a supportive and positive work environment where contributions are recognized and valued. Ensure your compensation and benefits packages are competitive within your industry to keep your team feeling appreciated. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to upgrade your home. Investing in your staff's well-being and professional growth will lead to long-term success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.